Welcome to the sixth in a series of tutorials designed to help you use the Queensland Globe with confidence. Today we will explore how to search and view images in the Queensland Globe. We will learn how to navigate the past imagery time slider, view images and image footprints, and link to QImagery to download. Narrow our search results. When you enter the Queensland Globe, the default map shows a mosaic of imagery captured by a range of methods. These include remotely piloted drones, high and low flying aircraft, and imaging satellites. To search for historical aerial imagery, we can use the Past Imagery tool. This search tool works within 2D and 3D viewing modes, and it is scale dependent. At higher levels like viewing all of Queensland, it will be unavailable and appear greyed out. Once we zoom into an area of interest, the Past Imagery search tool will become available. Clicking this button will commence a search for all available imagery within your current map extent. Search results will be summarized in a timeline showing the number of available images by year. If you move the map window after this, a warning message will appear and you will need to refresh the Past Imagery tool to rerun the search. As we hover over a year, it will turn blue. We can click on each year to view the month the image was captured. Selecting the month will display a thumbnail of the image. Further information such as the precise date of capture and scale will be displayed. We can toggle through the search results to find the imagery that best suits. Alternatively, we can click on View Gallery to see all of the images at once. Many images align with the modern map coordinate system used by the globe. This means we can use the imagery as a base map and overlay it with other information. We can also show it directly on the map or add it as a layer. Older images don't always align. Therefore, the Queensland Globe will only show the image footprint. We can add that footprint to places for further analysis, preview the image to have a closer look, or open the image within QImagery. QImagery will give you the functionality to explore these historical aerial images in more detail, with an option to download if necessary. We can return to the timeline to view other years. If we wish to further customize and narrow our search results, we can use the filter option. Globe offers two ways to filter our searches. The first is via a date slider. Drag each slider to customize and narrow your date range. We can also filter our results using the date range boxes. Here, there are other options to help refine our filter. For example, uncheck the Include Outlines of Historical Imagery option if you only want to see the results that can be added as layers to the map. Once we are happy with our filter parameters, click the Filter button to activate it. As you can see, the Past Imagery tool is a powerful way to research historical imagery and view change over time. We hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on the Queensland Globe. If you need further assistance, please have a look at the other tutorials in this series, check the in-depth guide on our help page, or email Open Data.